Hello, my name is Codemaster Jamal, and this is going to be a quick devlog. Okay, so I spent some time during a live stream actually doing some 3D modeling, and this is what I came up with. The one here on the right that's selected right now, this is one that I kind of extruded uh, purely using subdivision surface, and it's actually fewer triangles, and it's better for optimization versus, this is about 2,500 vertices versus this one here being about 4,500 vertices. I don't know if you can see this counter over here in the bottom where you can see the vertice count, but yeah, that's the difference there. And the point of this is that one's just basically faster for rendering and stuff like that. So that's why I'm kind of going with this one, but I kind of want to go with this one because it looks a little bit more cool, a little bit more rad. And I was just wondering, what's your opinion? You know, should I go with the one on the right here because it's better for optimization, or should I go with this one here because it honestly looks cooler? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm making a video game, y'all.